Welcome to the Dreamy Ambient Sound Podcast, where you can listen to uninterrupted dreamy sounds to help you study, sleep, or soothe a baby. Radio 4 met het NOS-journaal.
Oké, hier gaat het. I don't want to set the world on fire. I just want to start a flame in your heart, in my heart. I have harbored one desire, and that one is you. No other will do. Will do.
Participants, will you please lie down in the field during this relaxation course? Thank you. Now, the first sound that I will play is brown noise. Please close your eyes. Now, some people prefer pink noise over brown noise. So, here is some pink noise. And finally, white noise. Now these noises are very effective at replicating nature to give us comfort during our busy lives. Please, remember this.